I remember the first day I saw this on Obaapa's channel, I fell in love with this recipe straight away. It's one of those recipes that you see it, you love it, you try, and you just have to keep it. So today I am super excited to share with you how to make this beautiful, delicious rock buns using a very simple recipe that will definitely not fail you. I will start by adding some of my dry ingredients together, starting with the flour, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients and their measurement in the description box for you, so check it out. That was followed by some nutmeg, and now I'm going in with baking powder as well as baking soda. Okay, so after that I'm going to add my butter, and then we are going to mix it together until it is well combined. The link to Obaapa's rock buns video will also be in my description box, so be sure to check it out. She is an incredible cook. Okay, so after we've done that, in a separate bowl I'm going to add some sugar, and then I'm going to mix it with water. You can see that the water isn't enough to dissolve the sugar completely, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick mix. So once that has been done, add in your salt as well as your pineapple flavor. That's going to give your buns a really delicious flavor. Yes, okay, so once everything is done, we're going to go back and get our flour, and then we'll be adding the sugar solution gradually until we get the consistency that we want. So continue to mix and add until we arrive at the perfect consistency. If after pouring all your solution you find out that your dough isn't as sticky as what you see on the screen, be sure to add a little bit more water. So aim for your dough to look just like this, and we're going to go ahead and just scoop it and drop it in the oil just like so. Hello, if you are new here, this is Owusu's Kitchen. You are so very much welcome. Feel free to subscribe with your bell on to receive all future uploads, and thank you so much for stopping by today to watch. So we will let it fry on a medium heat, checking occasionally just to make sure that it doesn't burn. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them around, and now look, this looks so delicious and inviting. The look alone tells it all. It speaks for itself. This rock buns, it is so easy to make, yet the result is just incredible. Ayekama Ankara, exactly like the street style. The ton ewo abonteno. It's perfect. You get to make this at home by yourself for your family to enjoy. It is so delicious, I'm telling you, friend. Okay, so after the last batch, we're going to break one for you to see how it looks on the inside as well. Not only does it look pretty on the outside, but the inside is so inviting as well. So we're going to go ahead and fry the next one back. But as you saw earlier on, I quickly strained the oil before doing so. If you love this, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with friends and family, and help Owusu's Kitchen to grow. And thank you so much, Obaapa, for this beautiful recipe. Look, this is what I'm talking about. Street style rock buns made simple at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed. Bye bye.